Welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist, and celebrity gossip happening around. If you're a first-time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Mercy Ike and Ike Oyoma snubs each other at Diane's recent slumber party. Meanwhile, Omoshola was spotted spanking a lady's ass. Petite reality TV star Diane Rousseau turned 24 yesterday and had a slumber party last night in her beautiful apartment. The party apparently had basically all the 2019 Big Brother Naija housemates, and it included the estranged couple Mercy Ike and Ike Oyema. This would be the first time Mercy and Ike would be spotted together since their alleged breakup a few weeks ago. A video from the party showed that the duo ignored each other all through the evening. Mercy was at a corner of the living room, while Ike maintained a distance as though he was under a restraining order. Expect more mouth-watering gist from the slumber party. Meanwhile, Omoshola was spotted spanking a lady's ass during Diane's party. We all know this is usually how Omoshola behaves in a party. He did it while in the Big Brother Naija house 2019 and he's doing it again. So guys, what do you think about this? Drop your comments in the section below.